When I make chicken like this, there are no leftovers, and everyone keeps asking me for the recipe. Start by adding 2 chicken breasts chopped into cubes in a medium bowl. Next, add 3 whole eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 pinch of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and mix all the ingredients together until incorporated. Now add 100 grams of grated mozzarella cheese, chives to taste, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and mix again. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll